Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Handari Niken and I'm currently an active student of Information and Library Science major at Erlangga University. First, I would like to say thank you to Miss Kenya, and I'm here want to explain about source information and types of source information that I have studied before. So let's get started. First is information sources. What is information sources? Information source is as person, object, or place where the information appears, is obtained, or comes, and the object that receives it will increase its knowledge or insight. In this article entitled Internet Research Engineering, Roy states, a research can be defined as something that supplies a want or a stock that can be drawn on. A narrow interpretation might restrict it to end products, i.e. specific documents, video clips, music, and their data content. But the tool that discovers the end product, the site hosting it, and for that matter the software underlying all these elements, are an integral part of the information supply process and can be seen as research with their own culture and identity. However, Sells in 1978 in his article entitled Bookman's Folly states, the world of information extends within and beyond the book, the library, the community. It exists in people, places, and things. It surrounds us in every conceivable form. Accordingly, librarians and students should search for information within and beyond books and other formats, inside and beyond library, in beyond the immediate community. And from the definitions of information research mentioned above, it can be seen that information search are categorized into three major categories, namely document or information document, and places or information places, and media or information media. However, humans remains as the main source of information because it is human who creates and actuates these three things. And I will explain about the three categories of information source. The first one is information document. Document information is a document as a source of information. Document consists of printed document and non-printed document. Printed documents are documents in printed form such as books, journals, magazines, newspaper, leaflets, invitations. Non-printed documents are documents made of metal or plastic and electronical or recorded such as film, microfilms, cassette tapes, CDs, VCDs, CD-ROMs, and others. And I will explain about information places. Information places are certain places that can be used as source of information, or place where certain can be collected, such as libraries, hospitals, banks, markets, police stations, zoos, and other. And the last one is information media. Media information is media tools or means to obtain information, whether in the form of writing, image, sounds, or numerical information. Information media can take various forms such as radio, television, tape recorder, VCD, DVD recorders, computer calculator, and others. Then I will explain about the types of information sources. Information sources are divided into three types, namely primary information source, secondary information source, and tertiary information source. Now I will explain one by one what are primary, secondary, and tertiary information source. The first is primary. Primary information source is original words that report the results of scientific search, are the results, observations, product description, and product results, conclusion from a study. Example, research reports of scientific meetings or proceedings, patents, standard commercial literature, thesis, and dissertation. And next I will explain about the secondary Information sources. Secondary information sources is arranged based on primary source, helping to facilitate the search of primary source arranged according to a certain pattern so that it is easy to use. The knowledge gained is not new knowledge but proceed knowledge. And the example of secondary information sources, first one is index and abstract, and then development review, literature survey or subject bibliography, reference book like dictionary, manuals, tables, and scientific books like monograph, textbook, and the last is journal. And then the last types of information sources is tertiary information sources are groups of sources of information whose boundaries are unclear, especially the scope of the subject. In general, its utilization does not require knowledge of certain fields of science as in primary or secondary source. It does include almanac, example word almanac or the farmer's almanac, and then bibliography such as book or magazine list, main magazine catalog, list of indices and abstract. And then the third is literature guidelines, the fourth is list of research, and the last is instruction manual or directory. And that's it for today presentation. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.